Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse style home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse style home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends the charm of country living with the character of time-worn antiques. It celebrates simplicity, comfort, and authenticity, creating a cozy lived-in home that feels both timeless and welcoming. Cottages. Vintage farmhouse decor combines vintage features, old or antique items with history and patina, with farmhouse elements like natural textures, rustic materials, and simple country craftsmanship. It is all about mixing old and new, using vintage furniture, repurposed wood, classic fabrics, and modern finishes to tell a story of the past. Common decor elements: vintage wooden furniture with distress paint, enamel, galvanized buckets, and old milk jugs. Use wicker baskets for storage, antique clocks, mirrors, and picture frames. Use farm style and rustic typography. Fresh or dried flowers in messengers or metal pictures. Use old iron candle holders and lanterns. Overall mood: a vintage farmhouse home feels inviting. Every corner has charm and comfort. Authentic, filled with meaningful, character-rich items. Peaceful, simple, uncluttered, and connection to nature. Here is in more depth information about vintage farmhouse style home decor, including its origins, emotional feel, materials, and design philosophy to help you truly understand and apply it beautifully. The origin and inspiration: the vintage farmhouse style draws its roots from traditional rural farmhouses, homes that are built for practicality, comfort, and family life. Over time, these spaces gained a warm, nostalgic charm through weathered furniture, handmade textiles, and functional antiques, passed down through generations. When combined with vintage elements from the early 19th to the mid-century, this style becomes a celebration of history and craftsmanship, simple, soulful, and timeless. The design philosophy: vintage farmhouse decor focuses on comfort over perfection. Rooms look lived-in, not staged. Character of a trend: every piece tells a story. Sustainability: reusing old furniture, repurposing old and shopping vintage. Natural simplicity: letting raw materials, light, and pictures shine. The color and texture palette. Colors are soft and organic, inspired by nature and aged finishes. Main colors is ivory, linen white, warm beige, dark gray, faded blue, and shades green. Accents: black iron, antique brass, soft brass, weathered wood tones. Textures are crucial, rough mid soft. Like the strays would paired with a cozy linen cushion or a rustic bench topped with a crocketed drop. Signature furniture and materials: reclaimed wood adds depth and warmth with its imperfect grain. Iron and metal accents, black iron handles, hooks, and light fixtures bring contrast. Antique or handcrafted furniture: vintage dressers, farmhouse tables, and rocking chairs. Natural fabrics: use linen curtains, cotton slipcovers, crocketed towels, burlap runners. Ceramics and enamel are used for kitchen decor or flower arrangements. Lighting and ambience: lighting in vintage farmhouse homes is soft, golden, and welcoming. Use Edison bulb pendants, rustic candelabras, lantern-style sconces, candles, or fairy lights for an intimate glow. Common accessories and decor: old picture frames, mirrors, or clocks. Messengers filled with flowers, galvanized metal trees, or pictures. use vintage kitchen skills, enamel bowls, or crate boxes. Quilted pillows or crocheted table runners. Also use handmade style with words like gather or blessed. Emotional feel. Our vintage farmhouse home feels like a warm hug. Beautiful, nostalgic, and honest. It is perfect for people who love history and meaningful design. The beauty of imperfection. A cozy home filled with personality and charm. Where to find vintage farmhouse decor? You can source items from antique stores and flea markets, online vintage shops like Stick, Facebook Marketplace, etc. Local craft fairs, DIY projects using reclaimed materials. Cheap stores with a creative eye and a little paint, even old items can shine again. Haut's vintage farmhouse style truly represents. Vintage farmhouse style is more than a look. It is a lifestyle philosophy rooted in simplicity, authenticity, and warmth. It honors the beauty of the past, celebrates the handcrafted charm, and embraces a slower, more mindful way of living. It is about turning your home into a peaceful sanctuary that feels welcoming, nostalgic, and effortlessly beautiful, not perfect, but perfectly lived in. The emotional essence. Vintage farmhouse decor creates a mood of comfort. Every space feels warm, cozy, and inviting. Nostalgia. Pieces with history remind us of family, heritage, and simpler times. Honesty. Materials are real, like wood, iron, cotton. Nothing artificial or overly polished. Tranquility. Use neutral colors, soft lines, and natural textures calm the mind. Signature design elements. Here is how defines the style at its core. Reclaimed and weathered materials. Use old barn old furniture, shiplap walls, or vintage beams. Use distressed tables or cabinets that solo age beautifully. Practical beauty. Every decor item has a use. Baskets for storage, jars for flowers, cloths for books. Vintage wines, antique mirrors, vintage clocks, and old picture frames with patina. Repurposed items like old windows turned into wall art. Diamond textures. Use soft quartz, crocheted tortoise, and woven rugs layered for coziness. The color philosophy. Vintage farmhouse's colors feels gentle, sun-faded, and timeless. Main tones: creamy whites, crease, warm beige, faded blue, and soft shades. Accent tones: muted blush, rustic brown, east brass, black iron. The secret is balance. Light, airy neutrals grounded by rustic, dark accents. Furniture style. Furniture should look solid, simple, and slightly aged. Choose sturdy wooden tables, vintage dressers, spindle-back chairs, and slip-covered sofas. Mix antique furniture with modern comfort, for example, a rustic table with cushioned chairs. Look for pieces that tell a story, family heirlooms, or flea market treasures. The lighting mode. Lighting completes the cozy farmhouse feel. Use soft, warm lighting, nothing harsh or cold. Choose iron candlelights, messenger pendants, or lantern-style lamps. Candles and fairy lights add magical evening warmth. Decorative accents. Details give the farmhouse style its personality. Old books, glass bottles, vintage kitchenware, and floral crockery. Dried lavender or wildflowers in enamel pictures. Wooden crackers stands for storage, hand-painted farmhouse sign. Even simple items like a bowl of fresh apples or a faded linen towel can become beautiful decor. Creating the farmhouse atmosphere. Here is how it feels when you walk into a vintage farmhouse home. The air smells of wood, linen, and maybe baked bread. Sunlight filters softly through cotton curtains. You see layers of cozy textures and muted colors. Nothing feels new, yet everything feels cared for and loved. Why people love it? People are drawn to vintage farmhouse style because it brings a sense of peace. In a busy modern world, lets you recycle and reuse, making it eco-friendly, blends comfort, nostalgia, and natural beauty perfectly. The heart of vintage farmhouse decor at its core. Vintage farmhouse decor is a celebration of heritage, craftsmanship, and homeliness. It brings the comfort of country living into the modern world while preserving the stories of the past through time-worn objects and handcrafted details. This style invites you to slow down, to enjoy the gentle rhythm of life, the beauty of imperfection, and the nostalgia of simpler days. The architectural influence. Traditional farmhouses are built for functionality and family living. Wide porches, open kitchens, big farmhouse tables, and practical layouts. Modern vintage farmhouse decor mirrors the simplicity of it, with airy spaces that allow natural light, exposed beams, brick or shiplap walls. Use wood floors with visible grain and texture, large farmhouse sinks and rustic cabinetry in kitchens, slating barn doors that add country character. These architectural details provide a foundation of warmth and authenticity, upon which winter's charm can be layered. The philosophy of color, the farmhouse design. Colors in vintage farmhouse homes evoke calm, nostalgia, and warmth. They are inspired by the countryside, withered barns, wildflowers, old linens, and sun-faded paint. This palette creates a home that feels peaceful, familiar, and timeless. The beauty of imperfection. In vintage farmhouse decor, imperfection is beauty. Chipped paint, uneven wood grain, and faded fabrics are not flaws, they are signs of a life well lived. This Shabby mindset celebrates authenticity over polish. An old table with scratches from family dinners, a quilt with hand-sewn patches, a mirror with a little tarnish. Each tells a story and adds soul to your space. Lighting and ambience. Lighting should feel warm, gentle, and golden, as if kissed by sunlight. Use iron candelabras for rustic elegance. Lanterns or messenger lamps for farmhouse charm. Soft yellow bulbs for cozy glow. Candles or fairy lights to create intimacy in evening. The soft illumination makes rooms feel calming and nostalgic, especially when paired with natural textures and vintage furniture. Everyday beauty in simple things. A true farmhouse home turns ordinary objects into decor. Wooden spoons in a messenger, a stack of old books tied with twine, fresh herbs hanging to dry, vintage enamel bowls or milk jugs used as vases. These small details bring honest, humble beauty into daily life. The farmhouse atmosphere. When you step into a vintage farmhouse home, you immediately feel peaceful calmness, soft colors, and uncluttered design. Comfort. Everything is made to be used and loved. Warmth. Sunlight, texture, and nostalgia embrace you. Connection to nature, family, and tradition. It is a home that feels alive yet deeply restful. Vintage farmhouse decor is the most sentimental and romantic of all, full of memory, history, and texture. Why it is so loved today? In a world of fast trends and digital living, vintage farmhouse decor brings back human connection, handmade, personal, meaningful pieces, sustainability, reusing, restoring, and cherishing old items. Peace of mind, a calm, solo living atmosphere that shoots the senses. The spirit of Windows Farmhouse decor at its heart. Windows Farmhouse style is a reflection of authentic living, a way of creating a home that tells your story. So texture, warmth, and time-on beauty. It is not about perfection or luxury, it is about honesty, comfort, and soulful simplicity. Every chipped teacup, every creaky floorboard, every faded floral fabric adds to the home's story. It is a space where beauty comes from use, age, and memory. This style whispers, you are home, you are safe, you are surrounded by love and history. A connection to the past. The Venus farmhouse aesthetic honors the past generations who lived close to nature and valued function and craftsmanship. Homes are built by hand, furniture was made to last, and every object had purpose. Today, the style captures the honest simplicity. To time-worn furniture with character, handcrafted linens and crochet details, rustic shelves filled with crocheted treasures, the warmth of natural wood and candlelight. It's a blend of fairytales and comfort, while your home feels like a living scrapbook of generations. The power of found objects. One of the most charming parts of vintage farmhouse decorating is the use of found objects, old, repurposed, or handmade pieces that have a soul. Think of an antique ladder turned into a blanket check, a chipped enamel pictures used as a vase, a reclaimed barn tool made into a headboard, old cradles turned into shelves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.